Well, I'm sure all my good buddies have seen the picture of that carburetor kit that I bought. Fixing to pull the carburetor off. If I had my tripod, I'd let y'all watch, but basically it's that bolt, 2 bolts in the back, that vacuum line, that fuel line, a vacuum line there, throttle cable, throttle spring, and it's off. So I'll get back with you once I get it off. You want to know how simple it was to take this carburetor off? 4 tools: a flathead, a 5/8, a 10, and a ratchet. Oh, I forgot about the booster hose. Damn it, y'all caught me slipping. Okay. Don't sound like he's got no fuel in it. Well, I say my fuel pump's definitely my problem. Why I was running out of fuel coming back up the hill. Intake don't look too bad for sitting open for 3 years. Oh, alright, I'm gonna get this carburetor over here, get certain linkages unhooked. Hell, I might set you up and record it, but I don't know. Alright, talk at you later. Alright guys, got all my linkages and everything unhooked, all my screws. Wait a minute, might have some screws down in there. See some star heads. I don't know, I have to try and see if I can pop the top so we can figure out, see what this looks like on the inside together. Hang on, stop. See, I see those star heads. I think that's just, damn it. Yep, I'm gonna have to take those out. So I'm gonna look down the vent tube. Now, fuck, I bought a bore scope for this a while back and it ain't gonna work. Yeah. Yeah, I dropped that one in there. Let's see if this angle will work. Alright, test angle shot. I got the 2 screws out of the abyss. I got all the screws out of the top. I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm gonna pop the top and we're gonna find out what's in this thing. I'm glad I got a kit. It went right through the gasket. I was holding it. There we go. Well, I've seen worse. I've seen better. That's pretty bad, though. Well, that primary circuit's not stuck. The accelerator pump's god awful, but it's still soft. Let's pull the gasket back. I'm scared. I really don't want to look inside of this. Okay. That's pulled back. Now we got a plate that goes around the main jets. Pull that out. Huh? Well, little rust. Let's see. You're gonna be my eyeballs with me. I mean, I've seen a whole lot worse than this. This carburetor was running decent. It's where your choke linkage hooks. Let's see if we can get this to come out. Okay, there's a little clip there. It's the first one I've seen with a clip. I've rebuilt a few of these. So what does that tell you? People were inside of it before I was. Alright. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's not bad at all. The jets look clear. I think I'll buy a can of carburetor cleaner and spray it out. We'll be alright. See about pulling the float. See what the needle and seat look like. Huh? Let's see. Focus, bitch. I hate to focus on this thing since I slammed it on the floor. Yeah, it could use replacing. You can see where it was stuck for a long time. Yep, now you can really see the rust that's in it. I mean, I sprayed it out with some carburetor cleaner, and even the circuits down there don't look bad. See, here's what, let's see, these would be your secondary needles. Here's some of your jet, and that jet stopped up. That one looks bent a little bit. I don't know what the hell. Spider maybe? Grass? It's gotta be grass or something. Nope. Holy shit, that was a nest of spiders. Look at that. Look at that. That was a nest of spiders in this thing. Holy shit. That's kind of creepy. I'm gonna have to get me a big screwdriver so I can try to back them jets out, so I don't tear them up. I've never really been good at. Damn, I only got 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Shit. Anyway, we got another Quadrajet that I'm kind of curious about, because I just looked up the numbers on that one. That one come off of 60, or it said it would come off of 67 GTO, but the fuel inlet's wrong for it. But the numbers come back as a 67 GTO 400 automatic. This come back as a 74 C30 454. So I'm fixing to open the top on it and see what it looks like. Got a use for it. I think I'm still going to use that one on the Camaro. I've got a use for this one, and it's going to involve, let's see, it's been 2012 since it was started, so a 5-year old start. So yeah, about December 2012 was the last time it was started. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 6 years. Sorry, 6 years. So I'll talk to y'all later. Well, I thought I was recording. I just popped the top on this extra Quadrajet I have that somebody gave me, and I looked up the numbers. It's off a 74 454. That carburetor, the numbers come back to a 67 GTO, but this fuel inlet is different. The Pontiacs usually had an inlet like this. Chevrolet and Buick had an inlet like that. Well, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Oh, that ain't good. Well, this carburetor had no accelerator pump shot. You see the rubber is missing on it, and I see it down in there. So I would have had to come inside of it anyway. That kind of sounded nasty. Okay, let's see. Let's pop this gasket off. Try not to tear it, because if I don't have to, I'm not going to rebuild this carburetor. Let's see. Set you up. I should have known it wasn't recording all ago when it didn't have the old damn light on it. Okay. Let's see if I can get this piece of gasket up without tearing it up. Ah, I broke it in the back. Wonder if I can buy this one gasket. Or I'm gonna have to buy another $10 kit. I'll probably just do that anyway. Oh, that ain't good. Uh-oh, that really ain't good. I'm glad I did not try to run this carburetor. That just come apart. That one looks like it's supposed to come apart, but that really just come apart. Yeah. See, this is a different design than that. I guess that's why I'm not used to that one clip being there. What in the... Okay, that's strange. Well, I guess you find out different shit about carburetors that look exactly the same. Yeah, see? The float we had to pull out of the other one. This one just slides in and out. This kind of looks runnable, guys, besides the accelerator pump. I ain't even been paying attention to where I'm pointing yet. Oh! Puff in the face. See, there's the rubber off the accelerator pump. So, I'm sorry for the crappy camera work. If I had a tripod, I could set you up, and you could be over top of me like this, and I got one coming. It's supposed to be here in December. That's hard as hell, dude. Oh, I just broke it. Huh. Look at that. I just broke that shit. Well, I needed to take it apart anyway, so I might use parts out of both kits to fix both of these carburetors. It looks very runnable. Let's see if I can zoom in on them holes. Ah! I really don't see no bad stuff in there at all. About the main jet. Or the seat, I should say. Don't see no bad nothing in there. Main jets look good. Huh. You know, I kind of did save the gasket off of that one. See, that gasket is not broken. And here's the thing. Certain things always will interchange. See, I can use this used gasket on here because I'm not going all the way through this carburetor. Use the new gasket on there because this is a piece of crumbly crap. And of course I laid it on there upside down, but it'll be alright. Damaged it a little right there at the accelerator pump, but I don't think it's enough to make it leak. Let's see. Yeah. Other than that, put the accelerator pump rubber on there because that rubber is still very, very, very pliable. And maybe take some air and blow through this guy. Okay, I think that is supposed to go up and down. So I might have to do a little work to this carburetor, but let me do a little work and I'll be back with you.